Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. How are you all doing? Today I will show you guys a small makeup haul which I've purchased a while back. I think it was on 1 or 2 months back when Nykka had a very good sale, and also I have 2-3 items which I got from Amazon as well, and I will give you guys a very short mini review on this because I have been using this for more than a month. First of all, let me show you guys the pouch I got from Nykka. This is like a free pouch we get, I think, when we purchase more than 1000 rupees, I guess. So this is the pouch I got from Nykka. So it's like a very nice pink pouch with a little bit of glitter detailing over here, and there's like zipper, and it's like good. So most of the products I purchased from Nykka is from the brand Blueheven and Essence, because both of these brand had 50% flat 50% off in Nykka. So first thing I need to show you guys is this amazing product, this like Blueheven primer, which actually retails for 300 and I got it for like 150 rupees, and it's like 30 gram of product. It's like really nice primer. It's like clear gel. You guys can see it's like transparent and it gives a very smooth finish. Our skin feels really smooth, and because of that the foundation glides on very easily, and it does holds our makeup really well for good 4 hours 5 hours for sure, especially if you have like dry skin. If you have oily skin, it might not stay that much, but still I think for the price we pay, it is like a very nice primer. Next one I'm gonna show you guys is this Blueheven Expression Sparkling Eyeshadow. It's like eyeshadow stick, and we are getting one free sharpener with this, and actually it retails for like 60 rupees and I got it for like 50% off, and it's like 30 rupees. And the packaging is like not that great. It's like wooden pencil, and the cap is like really flimsy, and also it is not tight at all. It comes off very easily, so it's like not at all travel friendly. So this is in the shade 09, and it says that it's like highly pigmented formula, shimmer finish, long lasting, waterproof. So I will just show you guys the swatch. It's like quite pigmented, not bad. It's like really creamy, so it doesn't last for a long time, but then it's like really blendable. Once we blend, actually the color will be like very lighter, and it will be like very sheer with shimmer particle to it. It is not bad, but then it doesn't last for a long time. But then for 30 rupees, I think it's like great product. So next thing I'm going to show you guys is this Blueheven lip balm. It actually retails for 80-85, and I got it for like 42 or 43 rupees. The packaging is like really cute. It's really nice, and lip balm is like clear lip balm. So the flavor is like strawberry. It's not tinted, it's like very clear lip balm, and its fragrance is not that bad. It doesn't linger on for a very long time. It just fades away very easily, and in terms of moisturizing, it's like very thick lip balm, so it like moisturizes really well. But then as any of the clear lip balm, it leaves a white like a layer on lips, especially if you have a pigmented lips. That's something I really do not like. That is definitely a minus point. Apart from that, this is like a very nice product. If you want, you can definitely check it out. Next thing I got is this Blueheven nail paint, and I got it from a local store. It was just for 20 rupees, and it is not bad. It's like a very nice shade in the number 52. It doesn't stay for a long time. It's like stays on for like 2 or 3 days, not more than that. But on me, it does stay only for like 1 day, and that is the case with most of the nail paints I use. It doesn't stay on me for more than 2 days because I do a lot of household work, kitchen work, and those cleaning works. Everything is done by myself. Next thing is this Blueheven Aristo Matte Lip Crayon, and it's the shade 07 Cocoa Mania. It's like absolutely stunning shade, guys. It's like a nice rusty brown shade which does suit dusky skin tone really well, and it is like quite pigmented, really nicely pigmented, and it's like matte finish, and it does stay on for more than like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and it's very comfortable on lips. It's not drying at all. And when we compare it with like Lakme Enrich lip crayon, I would say it is like far better than that. I think for the price, it's like amazing product. Even if there is no discount, I would highly recommend you guys, please get this lip crayon, especially in this shade, this Cocoa Mania, especially if you are a dusky skin tone like mine. This shade is gonna suit you really well. So next one is this Essence mascara. It's like Essence Lash Mania Reloaded, and this mascara is like really nice, guys. I will just show you guys the wand. Wand is something I absolutely love. It helps separate the lashes. It doesn't clumps. And also it does give a very nice length to the lashes. I actually wanted to try another mascara from Essence brand. I really do not know what is the name of that mascara. Then on YouTube there is a very big hype about that mascara. Since it was like out of stock, I got this one. As I told you guys, Essence was on 50% off, so that's the reason I got this mascara, and it works pretty well as well. Next thing is this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and it's in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. So if you guys have been seeing my video, you guys must be knowing that I used to use this toffee shade, and actually that was like a little bit darker to my skin tone. So what I used to do is that I used to mix it with my Nykka Skin Genius foundation, and it used to work really well for me. And then I also had one more shade from the same Fit Me foundation, that is like Warm Honey, and it was like kind of matching to my skin tone, but I don't know why it used to make my face really dull. And later on I realized that that's because that had got a different kind of undertone, like kind of a peachy undertone, I would say. So that used to make my face a little bit ashy. One day I went to this Maybelline counter and tested out this shade like Golden Caramel, and I was like quite surprised. This shade perfectly suit me, guys. It gives a nice fresh look to my face, which is something I absolutely loved. So I ordered it from Nykka. It actually retails for $525 I guess, and I got it for somewhere around $400. So next thing I got is this Lakme Color Crush nail paint. The shade number is not written here, so this is how the shade looks like. It's like a plum shade. So next thing I got is this nail top coat from Essence. It's the gel nail polish. It's like really nice top coat, guys. It's like transparent with tiny little shimmers to it. I also really like the brush of it. It's like really comfortable to apply. It really gives a very nice very subtle shimmer effect to nails, which is like really good. I really like it. The product from Blueheven, and this is the non-transfer lip color, and I actually had this one in the shade Raspberry Love, and I absolutely loved. So I thought that I will give a try on one more shade, and I got it in the shade Punk Maroon. Since the name is like Punk Maroon, I thought that it would be like very like bright maroon shade, and I was like absolutely wrong, guys. It's kind of a pinky reddish shade, and it does suit dusky skin tone really well. It does last on for a very long time. The shade is like amazing. It's like waterproof, smudge proof, and I think for the price we pay, it is like amazing. It actually retails for like $205, and I got it for like 100 rupees, so it's like a really good deal. And next thing I got is this crystal mascara from the brand called Inside. I actually went to a fancy store nearby to buy a comb, so there I got this, and I was like really skeptical to buy this or not. Then I just googled right then about this brand, and it is like quite well known. It's like very affordable brand. So this is like clear mascara. As a mascara, it doesn't do much. It does slightly lengthens the lashes, that's it. It's just for 70 rupees. Then I really like to brush my eyebrows with this, because it kind of helps to stay the eyebrows in place. And again, it's not a great product. It's like a kind of like okay product. It's like Inside Instant Nail Polish Remover, and it's in the fragrance apple. Oh god, the fragrance, obviously, as of any other nail polish remover, it's like very strong, and it says that it is like acetone free, which is like really good. And it's like 60 ml of product, and I got it for like 60 rupees or 70 rupees, I guess. It's like a very nice product. And next thing I got is this Yardley London Mist Deo from Nykka, and it actually retails for like 199, and I got it for like 120 or 130, I guess. And the fragrance is really amazing, guys. I absolutely loved it. It is like a very fresh floral fragrance, which is like really good. And next one I got is this Engage Deo. It is for like men, and this one I got from Amazon. It was for like 60 rupees. I got it for my husband. The fragrance wise, it is not that great. It is like okay, still we use it because we bought it. So that's it, guys. I will leave the link down in the description box for all the products. I don't think there will be any discount in Nykka right now. Even though there is no discount, I will highly recommend you guys go ahead and purchase this Blueheven lip crayon. Yeah, this one is like worth, guys. You can definitely give it a try. And this if you are of my shade, you can definitely give this one a try. 332, it's like also really good. And also I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and purchase this one. And also this one, this Blueheven liquid lipstick in the shade Punk Maroon is also a very nice one. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this video. If so, you guys know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And also please do not forget to click that tiny little bell icon next to that subscribe button, so that you guys do not miss any of my videos. See you very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all.